flushing all the calcium, because that's what stops the new cartridge from coming in. And voilà. And then where's the other one? Right there. And we put the grease. Where's the grease? Ah, here you. Silicone grease. Okay. Right there, a little bit on the O-ring. H, the letter H is right there on the side to the left. Back the O-ring. This. And then after that, you want to make sure you turn the regulator, you pull it out, turn it to have maximum temperature, and that's it. You're putting back that stuff. This goes inside right there. Yeah. Voila. I'll change the cartridge because there's not enough hot water. Probably the self-balancing spool inside is dead. There you go. That's it.